Hello everyone. Today I am going to give a tips on nutrition tips on to raise immunity and protect kids against COVID-19. As we all know, healthy body with a healthy mind, along with all the necessary precautions such as hand washing, wearing a mask, and maintaining a social distance, shall make our children well prepared in their fight against the COVID-19. Food and nutrition is known to play an important role in building a healthy immune system. It is therefore necessary to give equal importance to the food, what we eat, how we eat, in how much quantity we eat in these times. There are certain micronutrients which when consumed can bring additional health benefit for children. Try and include fruits and vegetable in the diet. Give them freshly cut salad, large batches of soups, stews. Include seasonal fruits and vegetable which are very essential as they are rich in very sources of micronutrients and minerals. Try to include all color of fruits and vegetable in the diet. That will include a broad spectrum of vitamins and minerals which are very much essential for one's diet, one's body. Take care to add vitamin C rich citrus fruits. You can add red and yellow pepper, dark leafy vegetable, oranges, kiwis, broccoli. You can add lemon. These all are the rich sources of vitamins. For the zinc, you can add grains and cereals. For making the food rich in zinc, you can germinate or ferment the food. It will help in the richness of the zinc. Eating freshly cooked food, preferably home cooked, it is advised because it will be nutritious and hygienic for children and thereby reducing risk of gut infection. We need to add milk and milk based product for kids diet like curd. If kid is not like the milk, then you can give milk in another form. You can give in the paneer form, you can give it in the kheer form, or any kind of dessert. You can make a pudding with the milk. It is on you. You have to show the innovations in the different types so that kid can create his or her interest to have the food. Food should be rich in vitamin D. Vitamin D can be directly get rich sources from sun, but as we are in a lockdown period, so we can give them milk and milk products which are very much rich in calcium. You can give makhana, you can give legumes, pulses, green leafy vegetable which are rich sources of calcium. Avoid processed and artificially colored and artificially preserved food as they have high quantity of saturated fatty acid, sugar and salt, which are somewhere a reason of obesity, kids having a juvenile diabetes or a hypertension like diseases. So we need to avoid these things. Avoid sugary drinks. Instead, replace them with lemon water, add cucumber or herbs like mint leaves, parsley. These are the great ways to hydrate during the day. Liquid may include unsweetened milk, fresh fruits, citrus fruit, coconut water, and make sure that around 8 to 10 cups of water the kid is taking in a day. Following a fixed routine for having a meal, such as family eating together, can promote healthy family time. Avoid TV, avoid watching TV or any kind of screen during the meal times, because this is one of the reason for obesity, because many times while watching an interesting program on the TV, kids don't know कि वो कितना खा रहा है and overeating हो जाती है and he goes on munching on the food. So we need to avoid watching TV while having a meal or any snacks. Use opportunity to make meal fun for children so they eat healthy and nutritious diet. Help them to make their choices and make them a part of the decision making process when planning the meal कि आपको क्या खाना है. आप अच्छा ओके you are going to make a chart, so okay let me know what you want to add. So this is the way how you create the interest in kid कि आप कैसे उसको इंटरेस्टिंग वे में क्रिएट करके और एक हेल्दी और न्यूट्रिशियस फूड जो है बच्चा अपने आप लेता है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल इफ़ यू प्लान कि आज मैं अपने बच्चे को स्प्राउटेड चाट देती हूँ, ओके कॉल हिम और हर कि come in the kitchen and let me know what you want to add in this chart, let me make it, so let me know, then he or she will tell his choice and अपने आप ही उसका मन करेगा उस चीज़ को खाने का. सो दिस इज़ द वे कि वो कैसे एक फूड को आप इंटरेस्टिंग और हैप्पी मील टाइम बना सकते हैं. द थॉट विद विच वी कंज्यूम द फूड also helps secrete the right enzymes and digestive agents essential for proper digestion. So a healthy body with a healthy mind along with the necessary precautions such as hand washing, wearing a mask, maintaining a social distance shall make our children well prepared in the fight against the COVID-19. Thank you.